Want to change your Facebook URL so it's easier for your audience to find you? You're in the right place. I'm Christina, and this is the Social Media Strategy Lab. Now, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you manage any Facebook pages, you're going to want to follow me for all the best tips and tricks. So, first, go to Facebook on your desktop computer. This is a change you need to make on a laptop or a desktop, not in the Facebook app. So go ahead and go to facebook.com and open your profile. And then in the top right-hand corner, you're going to click the logo of your profile and then select Settings and Privacy and then Settings. And then you'll open the Settings and Privacy page, and you're going to scroll down on the left-hand side of the page until you see Page Setup, and then select that. Now, on the page setup screen, you're going to see name is the very top thing. Select that. And that will open a page with two settings, so name and username. So username is actually the URL for your Facebook page. So I've not set a username yet, which means that this Facebook page will have a URL with random characters as the page name. But I can change that by clicking Edit, and then I can pick the username I want. So let's try Fishing is Fun. And unfortunately, I see that that username is not available. So I can do try more Fishing Fun. And again, username not available. So I want to let's Christina Fishes. Oh, not available. Christina Gone Fishing. Oh, not available. And Tina Gone Fishing. Finally, I have a username that's available. So I'm going to save changes. And it will ask you to enter your password for security purposes to make that change final. So now that change is saved. So now I can go to facebook.com/Tina Gone Fishing. And it goes directly to my page, Fishing is Fun. Of course, it sees that it's me because I'm logged in, but I can now give this URL, facebook.com/Tina Gone Fishing, to anyone in my audience so they can easily get directly to my Facebook page and get all the information they need from me. Thanks for watching.